Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kani gadega kanhon na ka Envis Resource Partner Center, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, nampo Northeastern Hill University, kaba hakani kishis nambalala, kalatre hakani kanong ba Shillong, ban pasutho ikipai ba. Komno ban panyaklat ikitiar elektronik kibam panon kamsho, bat ban bread yaki hakarukam kabadai, bat ban omikhle lang, bat kiwe pat kinyot kibami nakiyeng. Shibanta na kadiga jing pasutho pai ba. Haka arpu pra bat arpu kandai terek mentau nailor arja pra. Kaneka kanhon kan sapelong ru da ka e-waste collection drive. Hapalau jong ka State Central Library haka baki pai ba nong susnong. Kinla banwanra ikitiar elektronik ki balas neo. Kantop nadu ki radio, ki television, ki tiar komputer, ki mobile phone bat kiwe kitiar. Yakani layatho dau director jong ka Envis Resource Partner Center Nehu u Dr. Dinesh Bhatia ringkat ka jidon lang u senior environmental engineer jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board u ba Wanchan Arkharkrang bat u managing director jong ka Rongjeng Technologies u ba Bolgogoi. Komba kalong hadu menta kaneka kanhon kaladap lom hadu 8,000 kilo kitiar elektronik ki belas neo na kitna sarkar baper bat na kijeka puli na kaleng kani kanong ba Shillong bat haba pensai halor kani kejingbrat yakini kijat nyut laong ro bakat kum ka Electronic Waste Management Rules 2016 ban brat ikitiar elektronik ki belas neo hakijeka thenyut pai ba kalong bi an menta.
Now under this theme we are running a e-waste program. So e-waste we will be doing the collection of the e-waste. As you know, mobile phone, any kind of laptop, gadgets and other electrical devices. So people conveniently buy another mobile phone without disposing of the first one. So that is an e-waste. It can be a toxic hazardous waste if it is left untreated. So MS Rongjeng and through their partner Karo Sambhav, they are being authorized by the government to collect this waste material, and they are doing this e-waste awareness drive so that people in this region and this area understand what type of electronic waste and they can dispose it off. So it is on Friday near the Central Library, State Central Library, and our Envis master trainers and participants will also be there to help the people and spread the message so that once this waste is collected, then it is being either sent to the Karo Sambhav for utilization or disposing of in a scientific manner. So that is the aim of this program, which is being organized on 28th and 29th this way.
So the whole purpose of this exercise is basically to ensure that the whole system it goes through a chain of regulated agencies. So the State Pollution Control Board would like to take this opportunity to appeal to the general public of Shillong to start with, to kindly come out and just take your time off to come and deposit your e-waste that you have at home. And I know it's going to go a long way in developing a character wherein your concern for the environment also will be contributory. So, kemudian nak kasih kepada ki nasional Shillong berkhidmat bikin sopahannya wanmi berbicara mana ni electronic waste mo ki lapan ni mobile ki bomlong show, lapan ni TV set bomlong show, ki computer ki laptop bomlong show. Siapa ni kerja ko pernah proses Central Library hak sing thau ding masih saja. Hakaba ki agensi ki bala yo juga sarkar kami Karo Sambhav kepada Group Ringtone Rongjeng Technology ko iranata. Hakaba ki maki kin semi kita ki electronic waste bagian part pada segi jaga pada ki recycling center pada ki bala ai juga ki negara sarkar kami. Bagi semua juga ni kalau ni bah kini kita sim aduk kita pen yak mereka kita proses mereka kini grup kita yo jemput na sarkar kami.